Okra Nature's Hair Straightener. Have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to achieve smooth, straight hair without the use of harsh chemicals or expensive salon treatments? Well, look no further because the answer might be right in your kitchen. Okra is a wonderful vegetable. Known for its slimy texture and unique taste, okra is a staple in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that this humble vegetable has more to offer than just being a delicious ingredient in your meals? It's not just for eating. Okra has been used in traditional beauty treatments for centuries. Its rich nutrient profile makes it an excellent choice for natural hair care. Okra can help your hair too. When applied to your hair, okra can work wonders. It acts as a natural conditioner, providing moisture and shine. The mucilage in okra helps to detangle hair, making it easier to manage. It can make your hair straight and silky. Imagine having hair that is not only straight, but also soft and silky to the touch. The natural properties of okra help to smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and giving your hair a sleek appearance. This is because okra has natural keratin. Keratin is a protein that is essential for healthy hair. It strengthens the hair shaft, making it less prone to breakage and damage. Keratin is a protein that makes up your hair. It's the building block of your hair, providing structure and strength. By using okra, you are essentially giving your hair a natural keratin boost. This treatment is easy to make at home. You don't need to spend a fortune on salon treatments. With just a few simple steps, you can create your own okra hair treatment at home. All you need is fresh okra, water, and a little bit of time. It's good for your hair. Say goodbye to frizz. Frizz can be a major problem, especially in humid weather. But with okra, you can keep your hair smooth and frizz-free. The natural mucilage in okra helps to seal the hair cuticle, preventing moisture from causing frizz. Say hello to beautiful hair. With regular use of okra hair treatment, you can achieve the hair of your dreams. Straight, silky, and beautiful hair is just a few steps away. So why not give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself? Let's gather everything we need. This recipe is simple. You can find these ingredients anywhere. You will need fresh okra pods. Water is important for the mixture. Cornstarch will add thickness. Almond oil will provide shine. And finally, coconut oil will moisturize deeply. First, wash the okra pods. Cut off the ends. Chop them into small pieces. Put the okra pieces in a pot. Add 2 cups of water. Boil this mixture for about 30 minutes. The okra will become soft. The water will get thick and slimy. Let the okra mixture cool down. This step is crucial because applying a hot mixture to your hair can cause damage. Allow it to reach room temperature, which usually takes about 15-20 minutes. You can use this time to prepare the other ingredients or simply relax. Once it's cool, strain the mixture. Use a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth to ensure you get a smooth liquid. This process helps to remove any solid particles that might be left from the okra, ensuring a smooth application later on. You only need the slimy liquid. This mucilage is rich in vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your hair. It acts as a natural conditioner, providing moisture and shine. Make sure to collect as much of this liquid as possible. This is your okra keratin. It's a natural alternative to commercial keratin treatments, which often contain harsh chemicals. Okra keratin helps to strengthen your hair, reduce frizz, and promote healthy growth. It's especially good for those with curly or textured hair. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the okra keratin. Mix it well. Cornstarch helps to thicken the mixture, making it easier to apply. It also adds a bit of extra hold, which can be beneficial if you're styling your hair after the treatment. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamins E and D, which nourish the scalp and hair. It helps to soften the hair and adds a beautiful shine. Make sure to mix it thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix everything together. Coconut oil is known for its deep conditioning properties. It penetrates the hair shaft, providing intense moisture and reducing protein loss. This makes your hair stronger and less prone to breakage. Your hair treatment is ready. Apply it generously to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the tips. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water. Enjoy your soft, shiny, and healthy hair. Section 5. The rhythm of silky hair. Imagine the feeling of running your fingers through hair that is not only clean, but also incredibly smooth and silky. This is the promise of the okra keratin treatment, a revolutionary way to transform your hair. Wash your hair with shampoo. Start by thoroughly wetting your hair and applying a generous amount of your favorite shampoo. Massage it into your scalp, working up a rich lather. This step is crucial as it removes all the dirt, oil, and product buildup from your hair, preparing it for the treatment. Apply the Okra Keratin treatment to your hair. Once your hair is clean and damp, take the Okra Keratin treatment and apply it evenly to your hair strands. This treatment is packed with nutrients that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, repairing and strengthening it from within. Make sure you cover all of your hair. It's important to ensure that every section of your hair is coated with the treatment. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute the product evenly from roots to tips. This ensures that every strand benefits from the nourishing properties of the Okra Keratin. Leave it on for 1 hour. Patience is key here. Allow the treatment to sit on your hair for a full hour. During this time, the keratin works its magic, smoothing out frizz and adding a beautiful shine to your hair. Then rinse your hair with cool water. After an hour, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water. The cool water helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in the moisture and the benefits of the treatment. Make sure to rinse until the water runs clear, ensuring that no residue is left behind. You will see a difference after the first use. The transformation is almost immediate. Your hair will look and feel different after just one application. It will be noticeably smoother, shinier, and more manageable. Your hair will be straighter and silkier. The Okra Keratin treatment not only makes your hair straighter, but also adds a silky texture that is hard to achieve with regular hair care products. You'll find that your hair is easier to style and holds its shape better throughout the day. For best results, repeat this treatment twice a week. Consistency is key to maintaining the benefits of the Okra Keratin treatment. For optimal results, it's recommended to repeat this treatment twice a week. Over time, you'll notice that your hair becomes healthier, stronger, and more resilient to damage. Section 6. Okra, a bounty of hair benefits. Okra is a powerhouse for hair health. It's not just about straight hair. Okra can do so much more. Okra strengthens hair strands. This prevents breakage. It also promotes hair growth. Say goodbye to hair fall. Your hair will be thicker and fuller. Section 7. A concoction for the ages. You can make a big batch of this treatment. Store it in the refrigerator. It will last for up to 2 weeks. This saves you time and effort. You'll always have your magic potion ready. Enjoy silky, straight hair anytime. Section 8. Embracing your inner siren. Imagine yourself with hair like silk. It shines in the sunlight. It feels soft as a feather. This is the power of okra. This natural treatment can transform your hair. It's time to embrace your natural beauty. Let your hair shine with health and vitality. Section 9. Sharing the okra wisdom. This okra hair treatment is a game changer. Share this secret with your friends and family. They'll thank you for it. Spread the word about natural beauty. Let's embrace the power of nature. Together, we can have healthy, beautiful hair. Section 10. A garden of hair secrets. Nature holds many secrets. There are so many natural ingredients that can benefit our hair. Explore and discover. From aloe vera to avocado, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of nature for healthy, beautiful hair. It's time to unlock nature's beauty secrets. Section 11. Unveiling your most radiant self. You deserve to look and feel your best. This okra hair treatment is a step towards that goal. Embrace the journey of self-care. Love yourself inside and out.